Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just received my May-June Chic Beauty Box in the mail. So today we're going to jump into a full unboxing, review, and demo of all of the products inside this box. Let's take a look at the variation. We're going to talk about how much it's worth and all of the items inside. So if that is something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every other day and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Chic Beauty Box, for May and June, because they do one box every other month, stay tuned. Okay, so there are several different products that you can get in these variations, so we're going to be jumping into all of those today. Now, the Chic Beauty Box is an every other month subscription. So instead of getting it every single month, they do one box for every 2 months. So this is going to be the May-June box. It is $34.99 a month to subscribe, and you get 5 to 6 full-size products. I have 5 full-size products in today's box, and we're going to jump into all of those. So, first item out of my box is from Fenty Beauty. It is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. This retails for $36, and this is an amazing product. So for one item, you already have the value of the box. So definitely already a win of a box for me. Unfortunately, this did not come in my shade, so that's just going to be an issue for me. This is in the shade 180, which I do have the Fenty website. They describe that as light medium with warm golden undertones. I have a lot of Fenty Beauty products, and in the complexion, I'm always shade 200, which is light medium with cool pink undertones. I am not warm, I am not yellow, I have cool pink undertones. So unfortunately I cannot use this, although my friend Liz and I were talking last night and she mentioned she needed a new powder foundation. And she is a little bit lighter than I am, and she is definitely yellowy, warm, golden undertone. So I'm going to send that over to her. But it is an amazing product, unfortunately just not the color for me. The next item out of the box is from Almeid. This is an eyeshadow quad, which retails for $6.99. Now, we're going very soft today, but I am going to take a little bit of this because it does have some really nice multi-chrome shimmers in there. So we're going to use this. I cannot tell you the last time I used a product from Almeid. So we're going to give it 100% like benefit of the doubt because I don't remember loving the last thing by them I used. So these are all like iridescent. Oh, it's got like this unicorny iridescent feel to it. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush, not a packing brush, and I'm going to take the shade up here, which is a green and purpley pink duochrome. I'm going to load that on a fluffy shadow brush, and I'm just going to take that across the lid. It's very soft, it's very pretty, and on camera you're really getting that duochrome of purpley pink and green. So I do like that. I am going to spray it. I'm going to use, there's a setting spray in the box, I'll get to which one shortly, but I'm going to use the spray that came in the box, and I'm going to try applying it wet. Oh, that's really pretty. I hope it's coming off on camera as much as it is in person, because I was ready to write this off as cheap drugstore makeup, and I'm going to be honest, I am pleasantly surprised. Now, obviously, I am not doing an intense, over-the-top smoky eye today, but in the summer, I am okay with a wash of shimmer on the lids and a nice, easy eyeshadow. And that was really easy. It's simple, which is what I like. With a baby brush, I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette on the bottom, which is almost a gold and purple duochrome, and I'm going to take that on the inner corner. That's also really pretty. You know what? This is giving me a very similar formula and finish to the old Kat Von D Apothecary palette, which had a lot of these like shape-shiftery transformative shades. I'm going to be honest, I bought that with my own money and returned it because I didn't think it was worth it, because that was like 30 bucks for 4 shades that basically did the same thing. And this is accomplishing it for $7, so I am not mad at that. For the setting spray that I used, this is also out of the box. I just, wanted to use the spray out of the box. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Set Refresh Mist. Retails for $8.99. Now, I did use it on the Almeid already, so as far as like adding some extra foil to your shimmers, it definitely works. It is a nice, fine mist. Definitely feels nice on the skin. I don't feel like I got a bunch of little water droplets all over my face, which is a problem I have with a lot of drugstore setting sprays. And I do always like to take a little sponge and press everything in. And I think it brought a little bit of a glow back to the skin, but it is supposedly going to be a long-wearing finish. 8 to 10 inches from the face, set your makeup, instant pick-me-up. You can also use this as a refresher throughout the day, which I filmed 3 videos today, so that refresher was definitely needed. My makeup has been on for probably 2 hours already. I just didn't do anything on the eyes. And I think it brought the skin back to life, which is really nice. There are 2 lip products in the box, so I'm going to go in with the one that I think I'm more inclined to want to use, and then we'll talk about the other one. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in the shade Pink Lemonade. This has a retail value of $21, and it is a very pretty peachy nude. Obviously, with this eye color and the shirt I'm wearing and my coloring, this is a very flattering shade, so I'm going to pop this on. I take it back, it's a little light for me, but I am going to just grab a darker lip liner and just kind of feather the edges together to make it look better. So the lip liner definitely helped a little bit, but I think this color is still very light for me. It's one of those like true nudes, which like 5 years ago with a brown lip liner, everybody would have been like perfect nude. But I'm not really into the super pale nudes, and I think this is a little too pale for me. But the formula is nice. I have used these lips in the past. And the last item out of my box is from Milk Makeup. This is the Lip Metal or the Lip Vinyl. They both retail for $24. I have the Lip Metal, which I don't think is going to really go with this soft and natural face and a little bit of shimmer on the lid, but we're going to try it. This is in the shade Willow, and I think it's going to be intense. And because this is a liquid metal, I'm just going to pop it right on top of the other lipstick. Okay, so it is definitely a better shade for my coloring than the light pink. Definitely very unicorn, very festival, which April is usually festival season, so it makes sense. I have to play around with it on like a black base lipstick to see how it would work. I'm going to give a quick swatch just to see if the formula on the lip is any different. Yeah, so it's not super opaque. It definitely has a little bit of sheerness where you can have to layer it up a bit. But that being said, I definitely like this like semi-shine purple over how bright, and by bright I mean like pale, the peachy lip was, especially for my coloring. So all in all, this box had a retail value of $96.98, which for $34.99 is not a bad retail value, especially if you're going to get a couple products out of there you're going to like. The lips are both not working for me, but I really want to play around with this on some like tacky bases, because I'm really enjoying this like flush sheen to the skin, and I think this could be really beautiful as like some soft iridescent unicorny highlighters. So I'm going to play around with this as a topper on some other products just to see how it works. And other than that, like I'm really happy with how it all turned out. Let me know your thoughts down below. As always, I want to hear what you guys think, because I like the setting spray. The Almeid is really surprising me, and obviously the Fenty powder is an amazing product. Unfortunately, it's just not my shade. So thank you guys again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye!